Hello and welcome back, guys. So today we are going to draw a beautiful mandala using some basic shapes and patterns. Taking a compass, draw a circle and from the same center point, draw a few more. The number of circles you need to draw completely depends on you. Now, with the help of protector, mark few points. And now, draw lines from these points passing through the center. These lines will act as our guidelines to draw a pattern. Don't forget to erase those lines from the first circle. Now, using a pen, I'll trace those circles. Also, I'll create one more and fill it in. Also, remember, while tracing those lines, if you make mistakes, please do not worry about that. We will make sure to cover up those mistakes further ahead in the video. Now we'll begin with filling in our first pattern. I am using spirals for our next layer. For our next layer, I am going to draw in those big petals and fill it in. Please do leave some space just like this. Now we'll use this leaf pattern . Now, using spirals for the next layer, we will go back and fill in the leaf. Now, we'll fill the space between those leaves with these cute little dots. Personally, I think these dots enhance the beauty of our drawing. Now create a dark outline for the leaves. Remember these spirals? Yes, now we are going to use small petals and make it look like a flower. Do you see the space between these two outlines? Yes, go ahead and fill it in. Now, on the inner portion of these petals, we'll draw one more layer. Once done, we will draw vertical lines inside each petal to add some texture to it. Ahead and draw these small circles inside the layer. With each layer, the beauty of this mandala just keeps on increasing. Do leave a comment and let me know what do you think. Now go ahead and fill the space outside the circle. Now for the second last layer, we will be using these vertical lines. With spirals for a last layer, we are almost done with our mandala. How amazing does this look? And we just use some basic and simple patterns to create this. If this was helpful and you liked my work, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy painting!